Imagine being stranded in the middle of nowhere at 2 a.m. with a dead battery and a phone on 1%. You don't need a tow truck, you need a hero. But here's the twist, 90% of jump starters on the market right now will fail you in that exact moment. I've tested the top contenders for 2026, and today I'm exposing the only 5 that actually deliver the juice when it matters most. Stay tuned. Number 1. WOLFBOX MegaVolt24. The WOLFBOX MegaVolt24 is a near-perfect jump starter for most people because it has a massive battery capacity and the ability to start large 10-liter gas and diesel engines. It works on small cars, of course, but if your buddy with a big truck runs his battery down, you can still be a hero with this powerful model. The 88.8 Wh lithium-ion battery is close to the largest we tested, but its efficiency is what won us over. During our testing, we used it to start a V6 engine with a completely dead battery 3 times in a row. Each jumpstart only used 3% of its capacity. Jump starters slowly drain while they sit in your vehicle for months, so I really appreciated being able to check their percentage capacity so easily, noted tester Chris Maxer. The big battery means I can pretty much ignore this one for months and know that I'll have enough juice for jump starting. We also appreciated that the WOLFBOX MegaVolt24 included a wall charger and could be quickly recharged via USB-C at 65 watts. The modern 65-watt output also let us fast charge our mobile phones, making it handy for roadside emergencies or power outages at home. The protective case let us stow this in a trunk or under a seat without worrying about damaging it with other tools or gear. We were slightly annoyed by the stubby clamps, which sometimes forced us to find alternative angles when attaching them to battery terminals with limited clearance. Number 2. Gooloo GP2000. If a robust portable power bank is your number 1 priority and jump starts are few and far between, the Gooloo GP2000 will impress with its high-capacity lithium-ion battery and abundance of charge ports. This model comes with a 37 Wh lithium-ion battery capable of delivering up to 2000 peak amps for car jump starts. It wasn't as powerful for boosting larger batteries on bigger trucks, one tester observed, but had plenty of juice to handle 8 consecutive boosts on a 2.5-liter engine before needing another charge. We also appreciated the 15-watt USB-C input-output port for charging phones during roadside emergencies or power outages. It's not the fastest option, but it's faster than most inexpensive models we tested. While it's great for powering accessories on the go, we were a little underwhelmed by its performance as a booster pack. Our lead tester noticed that it is fully capable of bringing mid-sized batteries back to life but doesn't quite have the gusto to manage larger engines and higher cranking amps. However, due to the storage potential of its 37 Wh battery, this contender will hold a charge for quite a while, allowing you to charge your electronics wherever you go. Because of this, the Gooloo GP2000 is a great option for powering accessories, and with its ability to jump larger engines in vehicles with reasonably healthy starters and components, the Gooloo provides a price-to-performance ratio that is hard to beat. Number 3. Noco Boost X GBX155. The Noco Boost X GBX155 is easily our top choice for those who need to jumpstart larger engines. Noco rates it up to 10-liter gas and 8-liter diesel engines, which covers most consumer vehicles on the road. The Noco Boost X GBX155 is a beast. Chris noted. This powerful model jump-started one of our V6 test vehicles so easily it seemed to crank and start faster than when it starts with a perfectly good battery installed. The rugged build quality is impressive, and the cables are twice as long as those found on most portable models. We also appreciated the high-quality clamps with thin jaws that can grip even tightly packed battery terminals on modern vehicles. This model's battery capacity topped our charts, and it also charges quickly via its 60-watt USB-C port, which can recharge phones. We're a little disappointed that the Boost X GBX155 doesn't come with a protective case, just a thin sack. Maybe Noco doesn't think it's necessary because the plastic housing is so thick and the ports are protected by rubber flaps. The built-in flashlight is bright and wide-angle, making it easy to see under the hood in the dark. You don't get a fancy screen, but Noco still provides built-in spark and reverse polarity protection. Number 4. WOLFBOX MegaVolt16 Air. The WOLFBOX MegaVolt16 Air is our top pick for a jump starter with a built-in air compressor because it delivers full-sized performance and battery capacity in a highly packable design. When companies add air compressors to jump starters, sometimes you get 2 mediocre performances, says Chris. With the MegaVolt16, I like the overall premium build quality, effective tire inflation, strong starting capabilities, and modern USB-C fast charging. It's a can't-go-wrong package here. Very impressive. When your tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, detects low tire pressure, it's best not to ignore the warning signs and sounds. When we're driving far from home, we appreciate the ability to pull over and top off a tire to a safe, appropriate pressure without needing to find a gas station or tire shop. This option blends two vehicle safety devices in one handy package. The biggest drawback to the WOLFBOX MegaVolt16 Air is the blocky battery terminal clamps. Older cars and trucks tend to have easy-to-access battery terminals, but some modern rides have more complicated battery attachment designs with limited space. Fortunately, the clamps are high quality and grip well, but you may need to futz with the angles to find a good connection. If the battery terminals on your car have tight clearances, you could choose the Noco Boost Plus Air AX65. It's not nearly as compact, but it has stellar clamps. Number 5. Noco Boost Plus GB40. If you have limited space in your vehicle or don't want a big, bulky jump starter taking up a bunch of room, we highly recommend the Noco Boost Plus GB40. This powerful little device is tiny compared to much of the competition, said one tester, yet it has proven to be able to start every vehicle we've tested it with. For very depleted car batteries and hard starts, you can enable boost mode, which delivers a quick burst of power to your starter. For those who tend to be rough on their gear, this model has a certified IP65 waterproof rating. Although you can't exactly go swimming with it, a little bit of rainwater and dust is no problem, quipped one of our testers. Noco says it can handle vehicles with engines up to 6 liters, a size that includes many full-size pickups on the road today. The biggest potential drawback to the Noco Boost Plus GB40 is that it might not be able to jump larger pickups or big SUVs. In some situations with well-maintained vehicles that have healthy starters, it could work, but counting on it for tough starts isn't the right use case for this one. The small size also means it is one of the smallest battery capacities we tested, which limits its ability to repeatedly jumpstart vehicles without recharging. That wraps up the top 5 jump starters for 2026. Links to grab these for yourself are in the description below, along with my exclusive discount codes. If this video saved you from a future headache, smash that like button, share. Disclosure: I earn commissions from purchases, at no extra cost to you.